welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to build a bike without a bike stand or proper tools or basically bodging it. So yeah, we'll get right into it. So the first thing I like to start with is the forks and headset. So just basically insert your bearing here. In the right side. Give them a little tap. Then with the bottom one, then the forks. We're going to put the forks in. I'm using the Federal 22s for this season's build. Come on. Now this can be a bit of a pain. You can tell I'm still getting over that cold. Yeah, so headset's on, so I like to properly put it all together, bolt it down, stem and everything. Now, I like to make sure my little Verde thing here is pointing forward, because it bugs me. I don't know if any of you guys are like that or not, but either way, let's then stick this all on. Sometimes obviously if you use your feet to stop the forks wiggling, and this in my case is not working. No, okay. Right, so then get your fork bars on. I hope this camera angle's alright, like. Now, it's probably best to leave your properly tightening up to last, just because, bar position and whatnot and tension's easier to feel when, or at least I find it easier to feel when everything's together. Oh. Don't just do what I did and never forget that. So I flip the bike upside down and keep it in frame. So then we're gonna slap on front wheel. Now, the thing with the front wheel is if you're putting tyres on, it doesn't really matter with the front wheel, but on the back, make sure the tread's facing backwards if you like your tread to go the right way. Some people don't care about it, but me personally, I like my tread facing both the same ways. So, start with something nice and easy, goes up front wheel. Now I've already got my wheels put together. With the pegs and guards and stuff on, just to make it a little quicker. So now you have a decision to make yourself. You can either put the cranks together, which is what I'm going to do, or you can put your rear wheel on. Now it's completely up to you, it doesn't matter which way you want to do things, but I personally find it easiest to put the cranks together first. So I'm going to take my trusty BSD guard sprocket, I'm going to drive it left hand side thing. Yeah, I'm going to line it up, put the bolt in. Now don't tighten this, don't tighten it up, because it's, I know a lot of you will say, well, if you tighten it up, I just find it easier not to. If you leave it a bit loose, I mean not as loose as that, but if you leave it quite loose like that, it allows you to wiggle it around on the axle when you put the axle in. I just find that's the easier way. And never forget, don't ever forget, if you're running like a 19 or 22, never forget that little sprocket thing, because it is vital. And trust me, I have a few friends that ride without them, or they've ridden before without them. So we'll put that on there for now. We'll grab me trusty dusty bottom bracket spacer. Now this is quite a short axle on these DMR cranks, so I only need one little adjuster spacer thing. But what I'm going to do is, because my cranks are a tiny little too long, I'm going to put my little spacer here. Yes, it's a bodge, it's an old cone. I don't care. Bmx life. Slide it in like so. Glass in the cranks. I'm going to slide on your other side now, so slide that on. like so. Now here comes this is the tricky part, is getting them to line up. So the one way I do it, I don't know if anybody else does it this way, is when I knock them on, see if they spin like that, then they're not in line. Ooh, I think we might be on to a winner. Boom! There we go. So cranks out spinning, obviously I just push them to spin, but they don't spin freely by themselves. That's the way I tend to find out if they're aligned or not. So now, all I need is my trusty dusty crank bolt. I only need one 2-piece design. Can't wait to get some new cranks up. Yeah, 2-piece design. Great cranks. I've had them in a while. They've never let me down in any sort of way. I've had plenty of cranks that have let me down before. And on that note, don't buy blank. If you have blank, sell it. You can get different stuff. Don't do that many crank flips, to be honest. Check it for wobble. If there's no wobble, then good to go. Tighten your sprocket up. Don't need an extension for this. Tighten the sprocket up. Because it can move now, so yeah. See, the thing is, like, if you do it when it's off the crank, your sprocket will move, you see, and then it won't be aligned. So then you're gonna have trouble. Why is that like that? Oh, yeah, but right. So anyway, your sprocket will move, and then you struggle to align everything up. So next step is hook guard, well, drive side hook guard and non-side drive. Non-drive side. Non-drive side. Oh god. Should have untangled this beforehand. I hate tangle chains. One. No. Oh, how do you even do this? I don't even know. Honestly, no. I've been known to get that tangled before. I've kind of like had to de-link the chain. But I ain't got a de-linker, so I'm not doing that today. So there's one part. And then I guess no. So one. So please, in the comment section below, if you know, you know what, it may as well be help Kieran build a bike on this one, because I'm really struggling here. So hang on. I don't get it. Look, every time I do it, I'm gonna have to edit this out. Every time I'm gonna do it. No, that'll work. Okay, so we're down to one tangle now. Holy what? I just randomly did it. I randomly did it. Okay, right. Easiest way to do a chain, slap your wheel up in air. Grab your trusty hook guard. Now make sure you catch both bits of chain in the little notches. There's my other one. Right, this one goes like so. Push back forward. Right, my hook guard, I don't know about if yours is the same on this one, I know you won't be able to see it, but my has a little notch. I think most hook guards have that on drive side. Has a little latch for the, you know, into the dropout, so it stops it from spinning. I think that's pretty much standard on most ones nowadays. So now I'm going to insert the pegs onto the axle. Do not tighten it up. Do not tighten it up yet. Wait. Let it nip. Well, don't even let it nip really. Now I use metal pegs for now. I am planning on switching to plastic, but end of the day, you're grinding, not sliding, right? So, all you metal boys out there, show some love, hit that like button. Now let's see if we make 10 likes and hit a new record. But yeah, so once you eventually get both pegs on, how many minutes for it? Let's start cutting this short. Once you get both pegs on, wrong way. Make sure you put both pegs on. So that like 3 times down. So once you get both of them screwed on, or at least part of the way screwed on. There we go. Literally screwing part of the way on, half to be tight. Orientate your pegs the way you want them. Now, this is the issue now, because I didn't bring a spanner. I'm going to need my ratchet. So, kids, I don't recommend you do this, because Mummy and Daddy will not be impressed. I'm going to use a pen. Insert it behind your wheel. Okay, pen didn't work. Pen did not work. So, I'm going to use a spoon. I got dogs. Right, so we use a spoon. Really, guys, while I'm recording, typical. Sorry about the dogs. One in back and then I'll be able to use the audio. So, anyway, insert the spoon or whatever device you're using to tighten up your pegs. Now, depending on which side you drive side is, make sure you tighten that, nip that side up first. Then you go on to your opposite. So once you've tightened one side, knit both sides up, and then you take out the spoon. In my case, a spoon. In your case, whatever you're using, nice little bit of slack, not too much, not too little. Right. The one mistake that I see people, and the reason people go through so many chains, is because they literally use. Literally have their chain incredibly tight. You don't want that. You know, well, some people want that, but I personally don't. I personally like nice little wobble in my chain. Not so much so it hits my frame, but enough to sort of do that. Now, once we've done that, I'm going to do the headset. Yeah. Still can't crank flip, but. Yep, so I'm going to go ahead, straighten the bars. Not that that matters right now. Go ahead and take 76mm. I'm going to crank up that little stem bolt so it's nice and tight, no wobble. Align bars. Now this is all, again, I can't really advise anybody on this. This is all personal preference, but yep, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to nip the first bolt, and we'll nip the second bolt on the sides. Like so. Go ahead and tighten them up. Last thing you want is your bars slipping or moving. That's alright when you do a jump or trick. And then, that should literally be everything. Down, I suppose, in a way. Chain's a bit slack, but it'll do. So, there we are. There we go. One heavy Bmx Bike Build. Thanks for watching.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my guess you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again.